learning data analysis can be really challenging. But one thing that I've seen over the years that is truly encouraging for people is practicing. Wow. Yes. So it is important that you practice. Take for example, is there any skill today that you master without practicing? I don't think so. Simple. I'm not going to say simple. Drawing or painting something comes with practice. Don't just dream and master it. So this is the same way it is in data science. Consuming or data analysis, consuming videos, content, and the rest is not sufficient. You need to get your hands dirty. Until you are dragging and dropping, until you are clicking and unchecking the boxes, until you are cleaning the data and observing and commenting, not until that your brain, everything will get connected and you'll be able to really practice. It can be stressful, but that is the actual point of learning. So make it an habit that you have to keep practicing. And it is doing that you continue to master it. You get more clarity on those concepts and you find your way through.